Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if your Frigidaire oven is showing you the F10 or SYF or F30 error codes, these codes usually point to overheating or keypad communication failures or temperature sensor problems. So each code affects oven performance differently. So proper diagnosis is very essential here. So before troubleshooting, you just have to identify the specific code. So if you are seeing the F10 error code, it simply means that the runaway temperature or overheating issue is there. The SYF error code reflects the control board and the keypad communication failure. The F30 is relating to oven temperature sensor malfunctioning. So here knowing the exact code is going to help you target the correct repair path instead of replacing unnecessary parts. Now whichever error you are seeing here on your oven, the very first thing that you need to do in order to fix it is to simply turn off your oven from the breaker for about 5 minutes, and then you just have to restore the power. And this particular step is going to clear the temporary software glitches or communication errors, especially with SYF codes. Now for F10 or F30, the temperature sensor probe is a primary suspect. So a damaged or inaccurate sensor can cause overheating or false temperature readings. So you just have to simply take a look at the loose connections and the damaged wirings or sensor failures. Now, after doing so, you can also check the keypad and the control panel. So for the SYF error, you can inspect the touchpad ribbon cable and control board connections. The loose or damaged keypad communications can trigger the SYF error code and prevent normal operation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.